This is the S23 Ultra and this is the S24 Ultra. Now, in case you didn't know, Galaxy AI is now on the S23 Ultra with One UI 6.1. But does Galaxy AI perform worse or is it better than the S24 Ultra? Let's find out in this video. Okay, let's start out this test using the first feature, which is the object remover. Okay, so before we start, I'll just let you guys know that this is the S23 Ultra and this is the S24 Ultra. Both of them are updated to the latest software version, and just another FYI, this is running on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and this is on the 8 Gen 3 processor, which has the AI NPU processor and all that. Over here, I have two images, the exact same images, and we're going to remove the person in this image. So let's go over to edit, let's hit the Galaxy AI icon and we select the guy. We're going to press generate at the same time. And here we go. Whoa, and you can see there, the S23 Ultra kind of did it slightly more faster than the S24 Ultra. So, I mean, if you're worried that your phone's AI might not be performing that well, it's off to a good start. Okay, so for the next test, we are going to try out the note summary feature. So let's head over to the Galaxy Notes app. Now, I already have a notes here that are exactly the same. So as usual, what we do is we hit the Galaxy AI icon, it'll bring up this menu, and then we hit summarize both at the same time. Oh, I think it seems like the S24, right? Did feel like the S24 was faster, but to me, it seems like the S24 did complete that much. It's not really much faster, but at the same time with the S23 Ultra. But we just want to check whether it's summarized exactly the same. There is a bit of a difference at the bottom here, but generally the story is pretty much the same. So I'll say that this is exactly on par with each other. Okay, now the next thing that we want to try out is circle to search. Okay, so once again, we're going to use the same image that we've been using throughout this entire test. Now, we're going to use circle to search to figure out what car this is. So let's bring up circle to search. And of course, you can circle on the image or you can tap on the image. Let's just tap on the image to get them both happening at the same time. So as you can see here, pretty much the same type of information. I do like the S23 Ultra did give me a bit more information, like straight to the car's manufacturer's website, where else the S24 kind of just explained to me about the car first, and then if I scroll down, I will actually see the website to take a look at the car. So pretty much both of them are the same now, but once again, circle to search is dependent on your internet connection. So if you do have a good internet connection, then the Google search is going to happen much faster. But identifying the object, both did it at the same time. Okay, let's move over to the next test, which is the generative fill feature. Now, what we do is we use back the same picture that we're using throughout this entire video. We head over to the Galaxy AI icon, and for this part here, let's make it a bit more heavier by removing the person from the image and then also cropping the image way more than we were supposed to. I'm gonna get it to -4. That's a lot of crop. So let's see which one is gonna do it faster. So here we're doing two things at the same time. We are object eraser and we're also generative filling the image at the same time. So let's hit generate at the same time as well. Oh, did it seem like the S23 Ultra is faster? But I think pretty much it did seem like the S23 Ultra did do it slightly more faster. But I mean, by slightly more faster, I mean like milliseconds of a difference. So if you're concerned that the S23 Ultra is not going to perform as well as the S24 Ultra in the Galaxy AI features, it doesn't seem like it. Okay, and the last test that I want to do, which is a feature that I think is the most fanciest feature in Galaxy AI, is generating your own wallpaper for the S23 and the S24 Ultra. So let's head over to the wallpaper page and then you will have the option to choose generative, which will bring you up to this page. So let's create something that is similar to each other. Now for me, I do like the night option that they have here. So it's an abstract gray, distant mountain range with ice. Let's change gray into something else like maybe blue. Okay, change this also to blue. Distant mountain range. Let's go for foggy swamp with ice with clouds. All right, abstract blue foggy swamp with clouds, both on the S23 Ultra and the S24 Ultra. Let's hit generate at the same time. Yes, I do agree. Oh, the S24 Ultra did do it slightly more faster. But I do want to see which of the phones can produce a nicer image. Okay, I really like that one. So it's nice to know that the Galaxy AI feature is not just pulling off images from like a bank of images that they have. It's actually generating these images, and that's really nice. Let's do just one more test for the wallpaper. Let's pick something a bit more color striking and also something that has a bit more detail in it, which is probably the minerals. Let's go with something, okay, let's go for fluorite, and then with cool hues. Let's go for tonal. Okay, so a close-up image of fluorite with tonal hues. Let's hit generate at the same time. Okay, yeah, I mean, consistently the S24 Ultra has been generating the image faster than the S23 Ultra, again by a very slight margin, but look at that. Oh, this is nice. Once again, if you're worried about the performance of the S23 Ultra compared to the S24 Ultra when it comes to Galaxy AI, I don't think that we need to be so worried. And I really like that the wallpaper feature is not really the same. Oh, we do have the same image here. A bit more detail on the S24 Ultra, but again, this is all just AI generating images, so this is to be expected. So guys, there you have it. That is Galaxy AI on the S23 Ultra versus the S24 Ultra. Now, we made this video for those of you who own the S23 Ultra and might feel like you kind of are left out because Galaxy AI did come on the S24 Ultra first, and you're worried that the S23 Ultra might not perform as well as the 24 Ultra. So if this video did give you some confidence with your phone, do let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.